Cross River State. Our patriotic interest arose when it was reported widely in the media that the management of Fed Poly UGEP fell short of expectations on the application of funds made available for the smooth takeoff of the school. When the national newspaper led an editorial opinion erroneously lampooning the rector, Professor Edward Oke, and his team, we took it upon ourselves to fact-check the issues at stake. Our findings led us to the heels of UGEP to measure the work on ground against certain claims in the media. After interacting with the host community, students, and members of the institution's staff, we put the following facts across to give Nigerians and the Federal Ministry of Education the following feedbacks. That 2 billion naira, not 20 billion naira, as mischievously reported in some quarters, was made available to new federal polytechnics and colleges of education in 2021 for the smooth takeoff of their academic activities. Fed Poly UGEP used its own share of the funds to, among other strategic uses, renovate the dilapidated community secondary school, UGEP, for use as temporary campus, constructed access roads on the campus, acquired furniture and office equipment, acquired land for permanent campus with perimeter fencing equipped with befitting gates and gatehouses. The same takeoff grant was applied in building a two-story structure containing 40 offices and classrooms for the School of Engineering, purchase of 2 operational vehicles, and securing accreditation for 8 academic programs. We met work on ground at different stages of completion on all 3 campuses to great adulations from a cross-section of the UGEP community. Several projects, including the construction of the Department of Computer Science, Survey and Informatics, Business Administration, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Science Laboratory Technology, Architectural Design, the construction of 1,000 capacity auditorium and the Polytechnic Library, 2 medical centers in campuses 2 and 3. The rector affirmed that the capital allocation and overhead was judiciously applied to this legacy project. Since the establishment of a polytechnic goes beyond giving and receiving lectures, the aspects of researches, conferences, technology incubation, and development are also crucial to the 150 takeoff staff. The rector and the management demonstrated administrative acumen in the selection of this takeoff staff, whose salaries have been paid through the federal government IPPIS until as of October 2024. We observed a warm, respectable, and harmonious relationship between the host community, UGEP, and the Federal Polytechnic, and the Federal Polytechnic's Management and Governing Council. This is an ideal environment, for academic and researchers. Against the false alarm raised by some narrow-minded interests on students' enrollment, the ongoing admission process is expected to boost this as more individuals have applied to study different programs in the institutions in the ensuing academic year. To our good relief, Fed Poly UGEP publishes its own online journal in an obvious bid to measure up to standards that are expected of polytechnics globally. Fed Poly UGEP's ambitious plan to collaborate with the Cross River State government to revitalize industries through direct foreign investment makes the institution's viability solidly assured. and that Fed Poly UGEP made all auditing exposure is a testament to the transparent and sense of management and sense of purpose of the management and the governing council. As members of the civil society, we urge the management and the governing council of Federal Polytechnic UGEP to forge ahead on their development trajectory. And equally, in the same vein, we are equally urging detractors to desist henceforth in misforming the unsuspecting Nigerian public on the giant strides of this nascent institution. Thank you, and you are welcome once again. My name is Adams Afo.